Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today we are in my oldest son's home. We're going to install a light fixture and put a few touches of home in his kitchen. So if you're interested in seeing what we're doing over here today, just keep on watching. So if you've been following me, you know we've been here before in my son's kitchen. This is how it looks right now before Mama gets her hands on it. He leaves his appliances out because he uses them during the week. So I'm just giving you a scan of the area. But we're really going to focus on replacing the light fixture that he has in here at the moment. It reminds me somewhat of a shop light, and we really don't care for it. The only thing that I love about this light is that it gives a lot of light to the area, but we want to bring it up to date with a modern fixture. So while my hubby is removing this fixture, I want to share with you the unboxing of a 20-inch modern ceiling fan with light by LCYFBE on Amazon. They are sponsoring this video. Now here is the ceiling fan. It comes in the colors black, brown, or white, and we chose the brown color. I really love the simplistic look of this ceiling fan. So we are finishing taking the remainder of the light fixture, the old light fixture, down. And hubby takes a look at the new ceiling fan. Taking a look at the bracket. As well as the wiring. Stripping some of the coating off of the wiring so he can attach it to the wiring in the ceiling with ease. Now, when you're working with anything electrical, make sure that your power is off. Now, this ceiling fan with lights is operated by this amazing remote, which requires 2 AAA batteries. It also comes with a bracket which you can hang on the wall and place the remote for easy access. This ceiling fan with light has 6 wind speeds and 3 level dimming and timing. The ceiling fan light with remote control is low power consumption and strong heat dissipation, 6 wind speeds, 3 levels of dimming, which are warm light, neutral light, and white light, and 2-hour sleep timer settings, making it easy to maintain the ideal comfort level which allows you to enjoy a quality sleeping environment without disturbing. If you place it in a bedroom or living room. This semi-flush mount ceiling fan has 5 blades. In summer mode, it releases a lot of cold air to make people feel cool and comfortable. In winter mode, it reverses the wind direction to make the indoor air more circulating and fresh and keeps you warm. It is made of high temperature painted iron shell and pure copper motor, ABS fan blade, acrylic lampshade, stable and durable, high quality LED patch light source. The fan blade thickness of 3 millimeters to ensure low noise, stable, and safe fan operation. The surface is smooth and easy to clean. This fan can be placed in a home, bedroom, living room, kitchen, study room, children's rooms, even on a balcony. So many places you can choose from. Information about this amazing modern ceiling fan with light will be listed in my description box down below. It can be purchased on Amazon, and there is a auto clip coupon that can be applied for 5% off this amazing modern ceiling fan with light. Thanks so much, LCYFBE, for the opportunity to review this product. So right now we're going to place some decorative items in his kitchen, things that I have purchased, things that I have found thrifting, like this lamp that I picked up from my local SPCA thrift store. It was marked $5, but I only paid $2.50, for it. I already had a lampshade for it, so I thought this would be perfect in his kitchen. I also picked up at the same thrift store this clock by Ray Dunn. It was also marked $5, so only paid $2.50 for it as well. I purchased this wooden board from Bell's Outlet. I love the dark stain on it, and I am so excited to use this for decorative purposes. He can also serve items from it when he wants. This was $9.99. So let's start decorating the corner of his kitchen on the countertop. Now I'm looking at this vignette and I want to do a little switcheroo by placing the lamp to the right, the clock to the left. So we're going to do that right now. Much, much, much better. The reasoning behind switching it was the lamp hides that outlet on the wall. So that's why I did the little switcheroo. So again, we will keep his appliances out on the countertop because he uses these during the week. Now, something that I'm looking for his place and my home as well is some runners, some carpet runners. But until we find it, it is what it is, right? This floor will stay blank until then. So let's do a little something to the sink area. You see he keeps soap and lotion and sponges for his sink here. Let's do something here to help him out just a bit. Let's add this white tray to hold these things. And yes, he will be replacing this soap very, very soon. We've also placed this drying mat to the side, so when he's not using his dishwasher, he has this mat for the things that he washed by hand. Now, do you recognize this basket here? Yes, we have shopped my home, and we will utilize this basket here for different fruits for my son and my grandson. They can place their items in here when he goes grocery shopping, guys. So he'll be going grocery shopping this evening for certain items. And lastly, we're going to dress up his range area by placing a fresh kitchen towel here, keeping things very, very simple. Again, this is a young man with his child, so we're not going to overcrowd his area or his space. We also shopped my home for these few items as well. Salt and pepper shakers, and we're placing them on his range, the top of his range, for decor purposes as well as to use them, right? And here's what we have accomplished in my son's kitchen space today. It looks a little more homey, don't you think? Just by adding those simple touches to this kitchen. Also, I must add about the light fixture. Who says you cannot have a ceiling fan in the kitchen, right? It gets hot in the kitchen lots of times, and we felt that this fixture was much needed. guys, that is all I have for you today. Stay tuned. Like I said, we will be in and out of his place doing a few updates. So we are super excited about that. And you never know what else will be going on, right? Stay tuned. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click it so you'll be notified of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in the description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so, so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family that we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.